Florida Hospital Flagler is the only hospital in Flagler, Volusia, or St. Johns counties to offer total knee replacements with the Mako robotic technology. While other hospitals may use Mako technology to perform partial knee replacements, Florida Hospital Flagler is the only hospital in the area able to perform total knee replacements with the highest level of precision.
So it's a unique system where we get a CT scan of the patient's knee prior to surgery, and we upload that into the computer. That makes a 3D image of their knee. And then we can take that image and do the whole surgery virtually on the computer before we even get to the OR. And then during the surgery, it gives us live feedback to make sure that knee is put in perfectly.
On a national scale, total knee replacements in the U.S. are expected to increase 673% by 2030. Yet studies have shown that approximately 30% of patients are dissatisfied after conventional surgery. Mako robotic arm-assisted surgery is changing the way joint replacement surgeries are performed.
This is the latest and greatest in the country for knee replacements. I think the robotic total knee replacement system will add a new level of precision to knee replacements because you get the feedback on the screen, and that confirms what I'm feeling in my hands when we're doing the procedure.
To learn more, visit palmcoastmako.com or call 386-586-1910.